Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun. So, home. 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 The building where you live. Where you live. Eat, sleep, work, and beyond. A place that people stay in, whether permanent, so forever, or temporary, for a while. For a while. Permanent, forever. Temporary, for a while. Yeah. So, can you make a house into a home? Oh, we will turn this building into our home. This building into a home. Yes, home. Yes. So we are looking for homes for these people. Or each of these buildings is someone's home. That's someone's home. That's someone's home. That's someone's home. Each of these buildings is a home. There are lots of homes on this street. Homes on this street. People live here. Residential. People reside here. Reside. Residential. So we could then look and say home is one, singular, and homes is two plus, plural. One home, two homes, three homes. I have lived in different homes over the years. I have lived in different homes over the years. Makes sense. Yeah. Very good. That was my home for 11 years. That was my home for 11 years. 11 years. Wow. My home. That was my home. Not that one. Not that building. But that building. That was my home for 11 years. I have a nice home. So, I used to live in a different home years ago. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. But this is my home now. I live here. Yeah, I live here. Simple as that. Yeah. But soon, we will have a bigger home. Bigger home. Now, why? Why do I want a bigger home? Why do I want a bigger home? So I have more space. More space. More space. I want a home with more rooms and places. Yeah, more rooms and space, really. Just more space. More space to do things or spread out. Yeah, it's nicer. Yeah. And I would like a home that is more private. Yeah. Just more, more space, private, more, fewer, how to explain it? Fewer, not neighbours, fewer, yeah, more quiet. Quieter. Just shh. Quieter. Yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, home, the building where you live. either permanent, forever, forever, or temporary, for a while. Forever or temporary. Yeah. Yeah, so how cool is that, language explorers? So can you use home in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And subscribe to the channel, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.